guys, what's up? This is Audrey. This is Namrata. Welcome to our channel. This is our first video, so we're not sure what exactly to say. So I'm just gonna say what this video is about. This video is about an old top which we no longer wear, so I decided to upcycle it into two different tops which we're both gonna wear at the end of the video. If it sounds interesting to you, then keep on watching. I hope you will enjoy it.
So here I am with this old and boring top and I am folding it in half. Then I am gonna cut the top from the middle, keeping in mind that the both parts should be able to cover the top supposed to cover. In case you are wondering whose hands are those, these hands belongs to Namrata, and so that this was. After cutting, I was a little clueless about what to put it, so I just threw it away. We're gonna knit that later. Now it's time to make the first top. So I'm reversing the top so that I can remove the side seam. At first I have decided to open the side seam with a stitch opener, then I realized that I'm too lazy to do that, so I just cut it with a scissor. After cutting the both side seam, I am gonna fold less than half inches from each side and iron them very carefully, because you definitely don't want to burn your hand while making a top or any other time. I'm ironing 4 sides less than half inches, and after ironing it will look something like this. Then I took a white lace border I already had in my home, which I'm gonna attach at the both side of my top, because previously it was too tight and it needed some extra space, plus it will give it a interesting look. So I cut 6 pieces of 5 inches strips from the lace border and attaching it with the top with some trapping pins. Now it's time for sewing, and I had to stitch them with the left and the right side of the front and the back side of the top. I don't know if it makes sense, just stitch it, you will understand how to stitch it. And stitch all of it until it looks something like this. Dun-dun-dun. And then I am ironing the bottom so that I can hand hem them to finish my cute little first top. Now the first top is finished, it's time to move on to the second top. The second top making is really too easy and it's pretty self-explanatory. Plus I'm kinda tired of explaining everything I had to do in my life. Yeah, just watch it guys, watch the whole video. Oh wow, you see I completed the second top too. It's looking just fine. Now it's time to wear them.
So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comment sections. It will mean a lot. Thank you.